Good day, class. Today is the 20th of May 2022, and currently it is 11:55 a.m. on my clock. I have two participants in this MS Teams meeting, Mr. Vincent Castro and Ms. Yellow Cruz. Before we commence, let me know if my audio is audible and my video and slide presentation are clear, visible for you.
Yes, ma'am, we can see and hear you.
Thank you for the confirmation, Ms. Cruz. So, beginning this lesson, I want to show you this. The Snow Day. This is the title of a short descriptive text written by Sarah Beckner. Now, what I want you to do is to list at least three qualifying words or vocabularies that you expect to see or to find in this kind of text with such title. The words have to be related with the title of the text, The Snow Day. What could be the possible words that can usually be associated with the snow day? I will give you 2 minutes to think of at least three descriptive words, and after that, I will call you to recite the three words that you have thought of. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you may begin. Okay, time's up. Who wants to start? Yes, Miss Cruz, you are raising your hand.
Yes, ma'am. The three words I expect to find in this kind of text are cold, best, and hot.
Thank you, Miss Cruz. How did you come up with those words?
I just thought that since it is snow day, it may be cold and the narrator might consider the snow day as best day, and they might want to look for something hot during the cold weather.
That's a nice inference, Miss Cruz. How about Mr. Castro?
Yes, ma'am. The three words I thought of are white, warm, and enormous.
Good description, Mr. Castro. I typed in and listed the six words you have thought up. Here are they. Your words are cold, best, hot, white, warm, and enormous. Now I will read you the entire text. After that, I will show you the list of words that can actually be found in the text and add the words that you got right. Please listen carefully. The Snow Day by Sarah Beckner. I could hardly believe my really sleepy eyes. When I wake up in the morning, it was snowing. My absolutely awesome mom came into my messy bedroom to tell me that school was cancelled for today. I thought long enough and hard about what I would do on this snow day. Would I go sledding down the giant hill? Should I drink extremely hot cocoa for lunch? Maybe I could have a snowball fight with my close friends. And it came to me, I'll build the snowman. First, I made the snowman's body. I added brown and white sticks for his arms. I looked around to find 10 hard stones for his eyes and mouth. I ran into my closet to get a very warm scarf and large hat for my snowman. I thought I was done when I realized I missed something: his carrot nose. I finished my snowman and went inside. It was the best day ever. Okay, I will give you at least 1 minute to read and process the text. Okay, here are the descriptive words that can be found in the text in addition to what you have thought of. I just removed some of the words in your answers that are not in the text. The words are hot, awesome, white and brown, best, warm and large, sleepy, messy, giant, and cancelled. Aside from these descriptive words, can you notice other recurring patterns in the text? Yes, Miss Cruz.
Yes, ma'am. I noticed that there are intensifying words or grading words before the descriptive words that are constantly used.
And what are these intensifying words?
The grading words I noticed are very, absolutely, really, and extremely.
Very good observation, Miss Cruz. Is this the same for you, Mr. Castro?
Yes, ma'am. Notice that.
Very good. These words before the descriptive words are called intensifiers and modifiers. They are used to grade, to intensify, or to modify the words after them. Now, for every descriptive word, I created simple questions that are still based on the text. What I would like you to do is to formulate simple answers using the list of the descriptive words as a keyword. And for every descriptive word, you are going to choose an intensifier among the list of intensifiers present in the text: very, absolutely, really, and extremely. For example, I ask, what should I have for lunch? Your answer could be, an extremely hot cocoa is what I want for lunch. Your answers should be based on the text. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here are the questions. I will give you 5 minutes to formulate your text-based answer to these questions. You may start now. Okay, time's up. Mr. Castro, would you like to answer the first question for the word awesome? Who told me that school is cancelled for today?
My absolutely awesome mom told me that school is cancelled for today.
Yes, very good. So your words are absolutely awesome. How about the question for the words white and brown? What did I add for my snowman arms? Yes, Miss Yellow.
I added really brown and white sticks for his arms.
Very good. You used the modifier really for the words brown and white. How about the question for the word best? How can you describe the snow day, Mr. Castro?
It was a really best day ever.
Very good. How about for the question, what did I get from my closet, Miss Cruz?
I got a very warm and large scarf from my closet.
Excellent. You used the intensifier very for the words warm and large. What about the question for the word sleepy? What couldn't I hardly believe? Yes, Mr. Castro.
I could not hardly believe my really sleepy eyes.
Very good. You used really for the adjective sleepy. The next question, Miss Cruz. Where did my mom get into?
Ma'am, the answer is my mom got into my absolutely messy bedroom.
Excellent. Absolutely with the word messy. The next question for the word giant. Where would they go sledding down? Mr. Castro.
I would go setting down a giant hill. Think, ma'am, there cannot be any modifier on intensifier before the word giant because giant is adjective.
Good, Mr. Castro, you are correct. How about the last question, Miss Cruz? What happened to school today?
Ma'am, the school was cancelled today. Same with Mr. Castro's example earlier. Cancelled has no modifier or intensifier because it is absolute.
Good job, class. Your answers are all correct. There are words or adjectives that you cannot use modifiers or intensifiers with. Now, from these example sentences, I got at least two. Take a look at these two examples. I got a very warm and large scarf from my closet. My absolutely awesome mom told me that school is cancelled for today. What can you notice about the order of each sentence? Yes, Mr. Castro.
Ma'am, I noticed from the sentences that every descriptive word like warm, large, and awesome are preceded by modifiers or intensifying adjectives. I also noticed that the intensifiers to be used depend on the descriptive word. For example, the word awesome, you can only use absolutely before the word awesome. You cannot use the word very or extremely for it, while you can use both absolutely or extremely to the word warm and large.
Good job, Mr. Castro. Ladies and gentlemen, these are what we call gradable and non-gradable adjectives. The first sentence, I got a very warm and large scarf from my closet, is an example of a sentence with a gradable adjective. The word warm and large are adjectives or qualifying word that can be measured, intensified, and graded. Because if I say that the cup of water is a little warm, you will understand one thing. But if I say that a cup of water is very warm, you will understand a completely different thing. Same with the adjective large. Something can be largest, larger, or just large. In this type of adjective, there is an intensity, there are levels, there are degrees to the descriptive words. Non-gradable adjectives, on the other hand, are adjectives that are absolute, extreme, and already classified. They are the types of adjectives that cannot generally be measured using extreme intensifiers. In the sentence, my absolutely awesome mom told me that school is cancelled for today, the gradable adjective is the word awesome, and the modifying adverb is absolutely. Just like what Mr. Castro said, the adjective awesome cannot be intensified or graded using extreme adjectives. So, do you have any question, clarifications for our lesson for today? If there is none, that would be the end of our discussion. See you next meeting. Thank you and have a nice day.